Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Saeed al-Mamari and I am a mechanical lab technician. And right now we are in a mechanical workshop. And for the specific subject, it is for manufacturing process. And in this workshop, I should introduce you to the safety procedures before entering the workshop. Should follow the whole safety procedures from bottom till your head. Should work the safety boots and overall and gloves and goggles before working with the machine, because it's a rotary machine. Should follow all the safety procedures. And now for taper turning. And now for taper turning, we're gonna make the cutting tool to adjust it to a certain angle, and then we start turning on. With a certain angle of the cutting tool, it means that we are making a taper turning. The cutting tool at a certain angle, see? This one what it makes. And then we make from the smaller lever to move this one in, to feed in. We do not use the outer one. We're gonna use this one. And now we make angle of 20, and we start tapering. See? Angle of 20. And now for this experiment, we're gonna make an external thread. We have two types of samples. One of them had the outer surface and one of them has a hole. And the one which has a hole, that's for internal threading. Can you see the makers? The threads can be made for internal threads. And see the surface sample. These for outer thread, external thread maker. Can you see from the inside? It has a pitch, high pitch and lower pitch.